guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're staying home during the quarantine and you're bored with your breakfast, eating cereal and eggs every morning, so here are 5 unique diversified ideas from different countries. They are really easy to make and I'm sure that you have all those ingredients at home. So the first recipe is the Russian recipe, which is called Grenki, and it's really easy to make. All we need is bread, eggs, yogurt, cheese and butter. We need a little bit of butter. And then we have to spread it. Cut the bread around 3 centimeters wide. Place the bread. Add 4 eggs into the bowl. Add the yogurt on top of it. And now it's time to mix, the most fun part. After we get this smooth substance, it's time to spread it over the bread. Make sure that the substance is all over the bread. And now it's my favorite part, it's time to grate the cheese. Now let's put it inside the oven for 10 or 12 minutes. Our super duper easy breakfast is ready. It's really cheesy. So the next recipe is the Indian recipe, which is called custard powder. My mom used to make it and I really loved it. So the main ingredients are the milk and the custard powder. You can find the custard powder at any supermarket with the flour section. At the end you can decorate it with any kind of nuts and fruits. It's all up to you. I am using the combination of cashew, almonds and walnuts, and for the fruits I'm using the plums, the strawberries, the kiwi and the orange. So the first step, we have to take 1 tablespoon of the custard powder and put it in a separate bowl, and 2 tablespoonfuls of milk added to the custard powder. Now we have to mix it. And the rest of the milk needs to be boiled. Let's add 1 tablespoonful of sugar into the milk. Let's add this yellow paste into the boiling milk. All we have to do is stir it well while it's boiling. Now we got this jelly-like substance and we all have to put it in the bowl. And it's time to decorate it. And now it's ready, but don't rush to eat it. Put it in the fridge a little while so that it gets this jelly-like substance so that you can enjoy it more. So the next dish is called Shirbirinch. That's the Tajikistan dish and it's my favorite one because my grandma used to make it every morning. And what I like about it, that it's really easy to make. You don't have to chop or peel anything, you just have to combine all the ingredients and it's ready. So let's get started. You need a little bit of rice, 1 bowl of water. Add the water to the pot and wait until it boils. Wash the rice. As soon as the water boils, add the rice. Lower the gas so that it boils smoothly. Keep stirring the rice until the water evaporates. After adding the sugar, it's time to add the milk. And wait until the milk is absorbed by the rice. Make sure that you keep stirring the rice, otherwise the rice is going to stick to the bottom of the pot. So now we can see that the rice is thicker and the milk is absorbed, so it's time to put it on the plate. Let's add a little bit of butter on top. So this food is really delicious. It's similar like a porridge and you can share it to the members of the family because the portion is quite large. Enjoy! Next recipe is the Egyptian recipe that my flatmate used to make. We need the beans, tomato, garlic, green pepper, salt, cumin, oil, and white pepper. Add the garlic. Add Add the green pepper. And add all the tomatoes. Stir them all together. And now it's time to add the beans. And a little bit of salt. Stir the beans until it becomes soft and mashed. You can put some olive and cheese and eat it with the bread. Enjoy your Middle Eastern breakfast! And now we're gonna make the Russian breakfast, which is called Blinchiki. It's similar to pancakes, but it's thinner. It also looks like crepes, but it's not crispy. It's very soft. Let's get started! For this recipe, we will need 2 eggs, 1 bowl of flour, spoonful of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, a bit of salt, 1 cup of milk. Mix the eggs using the mixer. Add the milk and continue mixing with the milk. Add the sugar and a little bit of salt. In case your dough is too thick, you can add a little bit of milk to balance it. Make sure that your dough is not too thick and not too thin. It should have this kind of substance. Later on, add the oil. Yay! You can add whatever topping you want. I usually like adding peanut butter, condensed milk, or jam. Let me show you how to do that. Let's try. It's really delicious. I think that's my very favorite breakfast. That's all guys, these were the 5 breakfast ideas from all around the world. Let me know which one was your favorite on the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And tell me, what do you want me to do next?